Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about video file compression. And in this video, I will show you how to batch compress your video file using WinX HD video converter tools to get it done without losing the quality of your video. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do here is to open up our WinX HD video converter deluxe. After you open up the app, next thing you want to do right there is to go ahead and click on this plus sign right here to upload your video file, or better still, you can easily drag and drop all the batch video file into the WinX HD video converter deluxe right here. So I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop all the video file. So for that, I have the video file in this particular folder right here. So this is about just four video file. However, might be more than this. You are going to see a great result in the compression. So I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop all the four video file right here. So allow all the four video file, or as much as possible number of the video file, to upload successful into WinX HD video converter. And once it uploads successful, this is what you want to get right here. Choose output format profile and click OK button. So what you need to do here is to go ahead and choose your category device. So for instance, I'm going to go ahead and scroll down right here. This particular video here is for web, and I'm uploading this video on YouTube. So you can see under the web video profile, go ahead and select your web video profile. There you have different options right here. You have recommended, which is MP4, MP4 is also for YouTube, and then FLV is also for YouTube. Well, this is the either recommend. I'm going to choose the MP4 recommend right here, and I'll come down below right here. Okay, and then you have your video file right there. So you can also click on here to play the preview of the video. Welcome back to another interesting tutorial. Just like so, you can click on the next video right here. Then click on the next one right here. You have the video. And the next thing you want to do is to come down below right here. Make sure you choose your destination folder. This is my destination folder right here. Just click on browse, and then once you click on browse, select your destination folder and hit on select folder. And it will be added. Lastly, go ahead and click on run right here, and then you can see compression have been started successfully. So here you can easily check on open output folder when conversion completed. It's that simple. For you to download this particular software and install it successfully on your Windows PC, I'm going to put the download link in the description of this video. Or better still, you can open up your browser and then make sure you come to this particular URL right here. So you can check these are the URL. Just type in this URL on your browser, and it's going to take you right here. You can see convert, compress, edit HD video quickly with powerful format support and basic customization tools. So for you to download a free trial version, go ahead and hit on download right here. And then it's going to redirect you right here. Go ahead and click on start download. And in a few seconds, the application setup is going to be opened up like so. Then go ahead and hit on save and download the app. Then run the setup on your Windows PC, and it's that simple. More useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this on how best to compress your video file without losing quality, or any other related Windows PC tutorial, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.